So you can definitely use this wax on the face. I have had no problem using it. I do believe that Sexy Soothes Wax uses a high degree of hydrogenation and purification. What that means is that it makes it tolerable for your skin, even if you have sensitive skin. But that's up to you. You should always just check with your clients and make sure, the temperature feels good on them. See if they have any signs of irritation after it or anything like that. But I haven't had any issues yet. This wax has been doing the job so far for the whole entire body. This particular client has PCOS, and it's been definitely pulling them hairs out with no problems. So let me show you this strip right here so you can see exactly what I mean. I'm just trying to pull it in sections so we don't break or damage any hairs. But look at the strip right here. Do you see that? Oh yeah, baby. I also waxed my little niece's lip the other day, so you can check that video out. Other than that, just follow up with the proper aftercare. You shouldn't have any problems. And you can always check in on your client the next day to see how their skin feels. I hope this answered your question. Thank you.